Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G 5G Plus and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now, as you can see, we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it to the pro. We can do it by using this button here with a letter. By tapping on this we can change auto settings to the manual settings, so by tapping on this, here we are in the pro mode, and this mode gives us possibilities to choose shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills and making experiments. So let me start with this settings bar here, and let's go from the first one option. This is the focusing. By using this slider we can change the autofocus to the manual focus. As you can see, this is how it works. Now let's go to the next one button. This is the white balance, so here we can control the temperature of the picture in Kelvin degrees, and also by using this slider we can change it. By going to the right we can make it more warm, and by going to the left we can make it more cold. Also these small icons here suggest us the light that is good for the area we are in when we take a picture. So we have the tungsten light, then the white fluorescent light, daylight, and also the cloudy light. So this is how it works here. And let's go to the next one button. Here we have the shutter speed, so here we can change the time of taking picture, and we have pretty wide spectrum from 1 and 6,000ths of seconds, so this is really short time of taking picture. This is better to objects that are in move, to frozen them. When we go to the right we get the time longer to 32 seconds, so this is really long. This is better to objects that are stable. So for example, let me stay here. And let's move to the next one button. Here we have ISO, so here we can control the camera's sensitivity to light, and we can make it less sensitive from 100 or more sensitive by going to the right, so 3 and 2,000ths of it. So this is how it works. And now let's go to the next one button. This is the exposure compensation, so this is also kind of light managing. By going to the right we can make our photo just more bright, as you can see, and by going to the left we can make it more dark. So this is how it works. And now let's have a look at the last one button here. By tapping on this we get access to all of the sliders at the same time, so this is really cool. I really like this in the Motorola's cameras because this allows us simpler, easier to adjust all of these settings. And also we can go back in these settings separately to the auto settings by going on the sliders to the beginning from the left. We can also use for this one extra button, which is here in the left corner. By tapping on this, all of the settings come back to the auto at the same time, so this is really cool that we have this. And now let's have a look at this settings bar. Most of the settings is also in the standard auto photo mode, but one of this at the center is extra one option. So here we can change the format of our picture from JPEG to the RAW, or we can pick also the RAW plus JPEG. So the RAW format is really pro because this is used by professional photographers to saving more details at the picture and post-producing them in the graphic programs. So this is really cool that we have this here. And we can also, by tapping on this button, go back easily to the auto settings. So this is how it works. Now let me stay for a minute to the manual settings and let me take a picture by using all of these sliders. So for example, now I adjust the focusing. Let me pick for example the cloudy light here, and the speed maybe 1 and 500, ISO 200, and this stays like that. And now let's move here to the right corner at the bottom. By tapping on this icon we get quick access to the gallery, and this is picture I've taken. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.